I just had a very disappointing meal in France, and I think I can do much better. So watch on to see if Pete's Pans can make pork cheeks great again. Dear gastro-pilgrims, today I'm back in the Rousillon, southern France, where unfortunately this dish of pork cheeks at a local restaurant is stringy, is dry, a total disaster. One wonders how they manage to ruin things. I mean, it's their own local speciality, for heaven's sake. I mean, it's just basic techniques, as laid out here in this guide to local cuisine. Plus these excellent local Roussillon wines in the pot almost guarantee success before you even start. Here's a fortified semi-sweet Rousillon wine from these parts, a strong part of Catalan culture made on both sides of the border, nutty, leathery with dried fruit aromas, perfect for slow cooking, yet feel free to use normal red or white wine or other fortified wines such as port, Madeira, Marsala, all perfectly suitable. Now here's what you'll need. These pork cheeks are left on the bone, but you'll often find them with the bone removed. It's up to you. Today I'm serving with turnips. For me, an underused vegetable, and so delicious when glazed, as we'll see in a minute. The cheeks are browned on both sides in olive oil. Meanwhile, the vegetables, onion, carrot, celery and leek, are roughly chopped. Whole cloves of garlic, no need to peel them, as all the vegetables will be strained out. The browned and seasoned cheeks are removed, making room for the vegetables, which are sweated right down patiently until soft and just starting to turn golden. A tablespoon of flour is stirred around for a minute, and the wine stirred in, just a drop at first to avoid lumps. Now the cheeks are returned with enough stock to come about 3/4 of the way up the sides of the meat. The bouquet of herbs, and entirely optionally, but common practice with French stews and braises, is a small strip of orange peel, like so. Let that simmer gently covered for 2 hours. The process of cooking vegetables à l'étuvée is the following. A shallow depth of water, butter, sugar and salt. Loosely cover to allow for evaporation. The idea is for the vegetables to be just cooked once all the water is gone. So the turnips are tossed or stirred in the sweet butter glaze until golden. Lovely. Now strain the sauce and return to the pot with the cheeks. And finally, chef's secret, a drop more of the wine for an extra kick of flavour. So delicious and meltingly tender, and so easy to get right. So yes, I believe pork cheeks have been made great again. Drop us a like if you think so too, and please do subscribe if you believe traditional food deserves proper treatment. And join me again on my quest to catalogue all the provincial classics from France, Spain and Portugal. Allez, bon appétit et large soif.